Alright, we rolling.
Alright, y'all. Sleepy T and the fam back again with another video. But today's video, a subscriber by the name of Robert. Let me get his name right quick. Correct me if I'm saying it right. Roberto Renzetti. Now I'm going to show y'all right here. He gave me the idea. So, shouts out to you, man. And as you can see, 3 hours after me and you exchanged little comments and whatnot, we went ahead and got the video set up and recorded it the same night. So, without further ado, let's get started.
This is the Family Burping Challenge.
Yeah.
Sleepy T and the fam. So you got Mountain Dew, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Hugs Fruit Punch, Red Bull, Caramel Starbucks, Snapple, Yoo-Hoo, Key Lime Hugs, Lemonade, Apple Juice, Orange Juice, Water, and Grape.
Ooh.
So.
Alright, well she took a long pause. Too long of a pause. What the thing about this is, this is an anti-soda household.
Yeah.
We all drink soda. I haven't drank soda in like, what do you say, 8 years?
Yeah.
About 8, 9 years?
And I haven't drank soda in about a month and a half.
So she was a recent one.
Yeah.
But so, her being recent, she's going to drink the soda and like the Red Bulls and stuff. I might have to sneak Minnesota in. I don't know. I don't think I got a taste for it no more, but we're going to do it. Let's go.
Alright. Here we go. Mountain Dew.
And we all just take something. What you want to drink, Layla? She wants the Yahoo. Alright. What am I going to drink first?
You don't drink the whole thing.
Yeah, I drank some.
There you go. Put it back.
I'm drinking lemonade.
Here. Mountain Dew.
Boy.
Don't feel nothing yet.
Now, this apple juice might make me poop everywhere.
From here on, we're going to let each person take their drinks of their drink.
Not yet, not yet.
Alright.
You want some apple juice or not?
You want the apple juice?
Grab one.
Alright. Take your drink.
I don't know if y'all can see her, man. Yeah, that might work better. Yeah, that might work better.
Whoa.
I definitely don't know if...
Alright. Coca-Cola.
Try... She over there about... Then...
It burns my throat. You drink Coca-Cola?
Oh, I got a wheat bird.
Alright.
Alright, water time. It's time for the percolator. It's time for the alligator.
So we all can drink a drink of water. Nobody's burped yet.
Am I anti-burp? Or it might be because the camera's on.
No, because everybody else be burped.
Actually, this is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Which one?
who's chocolate milk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one?
Yes.
Alright. Pepsi Wild Cherry.
Cherry soda. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
She never drinks soda, you guys.
Uh-oh. I thought she about backfired for a little bit. Whoa, backfire. See, our youngest daughter, man, she didn't want to do it. I'm sorry, Roberto. She did not want to do it, man.
So you got us 3.
We was like, you want to have a bird contest? She was like, ugh. I started crying, like, nah. So I was like, I guess you ain't got to. All right, 100% orange juice.
I feel a burp coming up.
Ooh, that thing thing was strong.
Oh,
Let it go.
Layla might be the first one to burp.
As soon as your burp come, let it flow. One thing we ain't open yet is the Snapple.
Yep. I got the Starbucks Frappuccino right here.
I'm gonna...
Caramel.
I burped.
Layla burped.
How you gonna burp when I walk off? Good thing I was just over there. All right, Snapple.
Snapple apple.
Strawberry meets kiwi.
Ooh, kiwi.
That's pleasant.
It's pleasant.
That was smooth. That was smooth. All right, well now.
Let's see.
We ain't open that
Yeah.
or this.
Fruit punch. Hugs. Layla. She gonna chug it off. This is right before bedtime too.
Actually, not really. She's got a little bit. All right, purple hugs. Here we go. Chocolate rain.
I just keep looking at him, waiting for him to burp. Cause I don't know about y'all.
I feel some of my diaphragm.
Yeah.
I feel it.
Red Bull.
You gonna burp. You gonna drink that. Oh, she finna burp.
It burns, but nothing.
Dang, I don't want to drink this because
Okay.
I'm gonna be up all night and I gotta get up and hit that gym.
Yeah.
All right, I'm back. I'm back on the apple juice. Let's see.
Oh, we got this one.
I'm back on the hugs.
Lime hugs. I feel a burp, you guys.
Ew.
Weak.
Ooh.
How come I got these weak words?
Mine sounded crazy.
These are,
Alright, back to the Mountain Dew again.
I would say if you drink carbonated, you gonna get a burp. And I don't drink carbonated.
Mm.
I might have to take.
Mountain Dew tastes like straight sugar.
Yo, this is gonna be the first soda I ever drunk in 9 years. 9 years. You hear me? I don't know if I want to do it. Should I break it?
It's for the challenge.
Oh no!
Drink it, drink it, drink it.
Sweet Jesus, soda's so nasty.
It's good.
Actually, it was all right, man. Yo, 9 years of going without soda. You got a whole new appreciation on some real.
Yeah.
I don't like it. I don't like soda.
You can definitely taste all the sugar if you go without drinking it for a while.
I don't like soda. All right.
Alright.
Her eyes is watering.
Pick one, Layla. Mountain Dew?
My belly getting full.
Yes, you guys. This is crazy. She's gonna burp again. I'm gonna do the Red Bull again.
I'm about to do some exercise. You know?
Ew.
Gotta do some exercise. Y'all see that?
Maybe we all need to do that. Everybody. Do it, Layla.
What I was doing is moving my stomach.
And we moving our whole body.
I was just like, no, Now, what's now? I mean next. We're gonna finish the hugs, or we're gonna drink some liquid bugs. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Bugs.
100% apple juice. We're gonna do it one more time. All right, I'm gonna take a big go.
Okay.
Now y'all see this go in as one go. See how big of a go we can take.
Whoa.
Dang. Congratulations.
Ew.
Congratulations.
That one oozed out of there.
I might try to hold them back till they get big.
Big gulp Coca-Cola.
Big burp. Big facts.
Coca-Cola?
Oh man, hold on a second, guys.
Burns.
I might need to give me a paper towel.
It don't even burn me.
It burns. I feel the gas.
I can't deal with that soda. Y'all made me break my fast.
Dun dun dun.
Backwash.
I've been letting her drink out of everything.
I'll still
Burp
drink out of
sounds
this.
like a mouth fart.
Ew.
Ew. Ew. You have. Ew. You have mouth farts.
I can feel it. I gotta help it out.
I feel like going down the line like,
Feel the burn.
Ew.
that'd be crazy, wouldn't it? You get right here, you gonna get sick. I can deal with these. I can deal with the juices mixed together, but I can't deal with the juices and that.
Here it comes.
With this?
Oh no.
Oh no!
Y'all, she don't drink soda. Bless her heart.
It's okay. Grab it, what you doing? Oh, she touched me! Ow! 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 She touched me! Oh my God! She could have killed me, y'all.
No, it's okay. You don't ever drink soda.
Look.
That's all it is.
I'm over here sweating. My belly getting so tight. Now, Ow Now Brown Cow.
Ew.
Ew! I'm the paper towel runner. What's up with everybody? Y'all getting sick?
No, that's just what we do.
I accidentally spilled mine.
All right. Pray for me.
That's what I do.
Oh, I thought she had manifested something up.
Manifest and destiny.
No, manifest destiny. Orange juice. Here
Oh
we go.
my goodness.
Bad.
I'm not gonna lie, the soda's killing me.
How long was that other one you seen?
10, 15.
Ew.
Good Lord. I had one big one.
It's like the burps just have started.
I'm at the baby tap. I need somebody to pat my back and burp me.
Oh my goodness.
Say that.
I think it bounced in my nose.
Ew.
It's in my nose.
I need to change clothes.
Y'all heard that little weak burp I just did? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No. It ain't gonna count. Alright, man. Who throwing in the towel?
I am. I'm throwing in the towel. I cannot do this no more.
Hey! But I think she won. I think you won.
Tell us down below. Tell us down below who
In
won.
my opinion, I think she won.
I just had a few deep ones.
I had like one.
Good one. Yeah.
Yeah, I had one good one. She had a good one.
Yeah, she had.
When
a
I
good
walked away, she had a couple good ones. She had one good one at first. Yeah, and you know, later on, I might drink another little.
Then I was trying to burn.
I know we keep saying we're gonna stop, but we're like,
I'm gonna keep going. until it's tomorrow.
We might rest around and get sick.
Oh, the soda's killing me.
It ain't killing me.
Good Lord.
She's gonna be so hyper.
You think Jada would have some big burps?
I don't know.
She don't want to do it though.
She's so little.
Yeah, but her burps. You know, ma'am, Jada what did it. You gotta understand. When little kids drink soda, like her, the youngest one drinks soda, boom. It's almost like it come out loud.
Yeah.
You know, that's why I wanted her to do it, but she don't want to. She don't like nasty stuff like that. I guess she thinks it's nasty or something.
You feel it? We bringing it out. We're gonna release the demons.
Demon!
Ew, someone burped.
It's like you was sucking in the air. Why your burps like you inhaling? It's like you go.
Someone burped me.
I need to get burped.
Let's burp Layla.
Boy, if you don't, boy.
If you're watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below any video ideas you guys might have.
Yeah, you know, if we really dig them like this one, when I read comments, we'll do them, and we're gonna give you guys credit.
Yeah.
For the videos, because we didn't come up with this. Roberto, I'm gonna read your name one more time.
Shout out Roberto.
I don't want to say it wrong. Roberto Renzetti.
Shout out Roberto Renzetti.
Correct me if I'm wrong, brother. But we're gonna end the video right here. That's all. Look.
We're still going.
Let's say we finna end the video. Birds start flying. They
They're like
weak.
baby burps.
They get weak now. Oh snap! Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, don't forget to turn them notification bells on too, man. The little bell you need so you can get notified whenever we post new content. Cause we like doing fun stuff with the fam. Just sometimes my youngest daughter, she don't like doing it. With that being said, till next time, what we always say, y'all.
Peace.
Peace. Till next time, we out, bruh. What you doing? We supposed to be cleaning the challenge up. You cornball.